Welcome. If you want to get TFT Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, for the first you have to go to the second smartphone and download this application from the Google Play Store. And I just did it, of course, and I'm going to show you. Here it is. And also the second application that you have to download, it's the Smart Switch. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. And when we are going to the Google Play Store and type TFT Mobile on our phablet, you cannot find here TFT Mobile, right? So, just to get it, open the Smart Switch application, and we are going to send it to Tab S6. Open the application also on your Galaxy tablet, and right here click Let's Go on the smartphone and receive data on the phablet. Tap on the wireless on the both devices, and right now they are connecting. Okay, right now we have to wait a little bit. And click here to unselect all of these things. Move to the apps. And click here to unselect all applications and scroll down to find TFT Mobile. Select it, click on it, done. Scroll down again, tap on the transfer, and right now our Android phone is transferring data to our Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and in a few moments we will get TFT Mobile on this phablet. Okay, and it's done. So let's click close and done on the devices, and right now let's try to open TFT Mobile, and as you can see, it is working. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.